really unite this planet. I believe with all my heart. Really unite this planet. I believe with all my heart, and that's why I'm here. And you know, out there are people dying, guys. What's happening in London, what happened in Paris, what's happening to so many countries around the world. Outside this environment is not the way it is here. The world needs this energy. The world needs our love. The world needs our compassion. With this kind of an energy, we can really change the world. And you know, I had a test when I found out that at my first event, I will be in Budapest. I will be very straight, and please, if this story impacts your country or not, just don't be offended. Just listen to the message, and trust me, it's a powerful message. But there is a hate between Romanians and Hungarians that is happening for hundreds of years. And when I found out that I will be the trainer in Budapest, Romanians were proud that we are showing something in Hungary. We are showing that we can be better. And in that moment, I went to God, and I said, okay, I have to give a message here. And you know, the politicians are fighting between themselves. And when we have a football game, a soccer game, the teams are fighting between themselves, and the supporters are fighting between themselves. And I tried to go back in history. This is on my purpose, to understand what's happening. And I found out what's happening. But after I found out what's happening, I realized that it doesn't even matter what happened, guys. If you're from Hungary, just please stand up for a while. Stand up in your feet if you are from Hungary, if you have any kind of connection with Hungary. I want to tell you something. We do not need to carry the sins of our family, the sins of our country, the sins of our friends, the sins of our world, the sins of our continent. We have the power to change that pattern. In the name of my country, if you're from Hungary, I leave all the hatred behind. I ask for forgiveness for whatever we did to you, and I forgive you for whatever you did to us, and I receive you in my heart as brothers and sisters. And if you are from Romania, I want to hear you. I want you to go to every person that is Hungarian, and I want you to embrace them, to forget all the bullshit that is happening between our countries, and to receive them in your heart as the brothers and sisters. This is the power we have. And I want you please to close the lights. Guys, please close the lights. And you know, every one of us is living in a dark place. We all have our dark place in this moment. And we know we are focusing to bring light on this planet. Each and every one of you has a will, has a need to contribute. But you don't need, the only person you need to focus in this moment to bring light in is yourself. The more light you bring in your life, the more light you'll bring in other people's lives. So you just need to do this. Bring up the lights. Bring the light in your life. Bring the light in your family. Bring the light to your friends. Bring the light in this amazing company. Bring the light in your company. Bring the light in your team. Bring the light in this continent. Bring the light all around the world, guys. And with this energy, we'll all tell stories about paradise. Paradise is not there we imagine it to be. You don't need to die to go in paradise. Paradise can be here. But I cannot create it alone. The leaders cannot create it alone. But together with this energy, we can all create it for ourselves, for our family, for our friends, for our company, for all the people we have around the world. God bless you all. Go out there, live your amazing lives, become the light that the company needs, become the light that this world needs, and I will see you all to the biggest event we ever had in Europe, View from the Edge, London, 2017. I love you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, please put your hands together for Razvan!